gene therapy is a promising approach for the treatment of type 1 diabetes, with several approaches currently being developed and tested in preclinical and clinical studies. Here are some of the current gene therapies for type 1 diabetes. This approach involves transplanting insulin-producing islet cells into the body, which can help restore insulin production. The islet cells are encapsulated in a protective coating that prevents the body's immune system from attacking them. This approach has shown promise in animal studies and is currently being tested in clinical trials. Tools such as CRISPR-Cas9 can be used to modify the DNA of cells to correct genetic mutations associated with type 1 diabetes. However, this approach is still in the early stages of development and has yet to be tested in clinical trials.